Have you ever wondered what it would be like if we could travel in time? I mean, just think about it for a second. The possibilities would be endless, and our understanding of the world and the universe would be completely transformed. We would have the ability to witness historical events firsthand, to meet great minds of the past, and to potentially alter the course of history. But before we dive into the excitement of time travel, let's take a moment to consider the underlying principles and implications. Time, as we understand it, is a fundamental dimension that governs our existence. It flows in a linear fashion, from past to present to future. But what if we could break free from this linear constraint and enter the realm of time travel? One of the most famous concepts related to time travel is the wormhole. Imagine a cosmic tunnel connecting two different points in space-time, like a shortcut between distant locations. If we were to enter this wormhole, we could emerge at a different time altogether. However, the feasibility of such wormholes remains a topic of great scientific debate. The energy needed to create and stabilize a wormhole while simultaneously preventing its collapse is beyond our current understanding. But let's imagine for a moment that we've successfully overcome these challenges. What would time travel actually look like? Would we be able to revisit the past or travel to the future? Well, according to some theories, both options might be possible. If we were to travel to the past, we could potentially witness historical events, meet our heroes, or even alter the outcome of certain events. However, this raises a crucial question: would our actions in the past have any impact on the present? The concept of causality suggests that any alteration in the past could create a ripple effect, potentially changing the future as well. This idea is better known as the butterfly effect, where even the slightest change in the past can have significant consequences in the present. Now, let's shift our focus to the future. Traveling to the future would be an extraordinary experience. Just imagine being able to witness technological advancements, explore distant galaxies, or encounter life forms we could never have imagined. But, traveling to the future also poses its own set of challenges. One of the key issues is whether we could return to our present time once we've traveled forward. The nature of time dilation in relativity suggests that traveling at relativistic speeds would cause time to pass more slowly for the traveler than for those left behind. Therefore, while the traveler might perceive only a few years passing, decades or even centuries could have gone by for everyone else. This would make it almost impossible to return to the same point in time from which we departed. Apart from the scientific and technical challenges, one must also consider the ethical implications of time travel. Imagine if we could go back and change certain events in history. While the idea of preventing tragedies such as wars or natural disasters might seem noble, it also raises questions about our responsibility and the potential consequences of our actions. Would altering the past lead to unintended negative outcomes, or would it ultimately create a better future? These are complex moral dilemmas that we would have to grapple with if time travel were to become a reality. So, while the idea of time travel is incredibly captivating, it is important to approach it with both excitement and caution. The scientific challenges, the potential impact on causality, and the ethical considerations all add layers of complexity to this concept. When pondering the possibilities of time travel, we must remember that the beauty of the human experience also lies in the appreciation of the present moment. While we may be fascinated by the past and intrigued by the future, it is the present that we must cherish and make the most of. But for now, let's keep exploring the mysteries of time through literature, movies, and the boundless depths of our imagination. Who knows, maybe one day, all our speculations about time travel will become a reality. Until then, let's embrace the present and continue to marvel at the wonders of the universe.